Hello, I'm Padma Kumar, CEO and co-founder of Innoventure. Counterfeiting is one of the biggest challenges that we are all facing in today's world. Especially when it comes to pharmaceutical industry, it's even more a bigger threat. More than 1 million people die every year because of counterfeit drugs. As per WHO, 30 to 50% of the drugs that we buy online are fake. In Africa alone, a kid dies every 5 minutes due to a fake anti-malarial drug. Why is that happening and why we are not able to stop that? With the advancement that are happening in the technology space, counterfeiting is becoming very easy today. With the advancement that has happened in the computer vision, all it takes to copy a packaging is a smartphone and a machine learning program. All you need is to capture some 500 images of a packaging and run it in a machine learning language. You can replicate the package. With any security feature that it's visible, it gets copied in that. Micro dots or minor changes that you have made, it all gets copied. So the industry is facing a huge challenge because of the technology advancement and how counterfeiters are using it to their benefit. So the industry is slowly moving towards a connected packaging technology where industry wants to track at every moment where the product is going. And counterfeiting solutions as such is also evolving. Anything that is visible gets copied within 2 to 3 months' time. That's the maximum shelf life any visible counterfeiting technology has. So it is becoming more and more important that we come up with technologies that are not visible to the naked eyes. And blockchain, with advancement happening in blockchain, every packaging is getting tracked at every point of landing. If it is going to the distributor, it is tracked. So blockchain is also getting used extensively. That's where Innoventure has come up with advanced technology or a connected packaging technology. Innoventure is a startup based out of Massachusetts in US. We have our R&D team based out of Bangalore in India, and we have a sales office in Dubai as well. We have come up with a patented technology where we can encrypt any information in the packaging, and the encrypted information is completely invisible to the naked eye. And the beauty of our technology is that it can be implemented without any process change in an organization. No need of any capex, no machinery, no printer, no special ink, and the manufacturer can continue to use the existing technology, existing processes that they have in their organization. We are already working with some of the leading pharmaceutical companies, and our technology has been used to encrypt information on packaging, and using a smartphone, you can just scan the product and get all the information whether it is genuine or fake. We have enabled the functionality not just on an app, it can be used on a smartphone, using any social media like WhatsApp, or even just a simple browser using a QR code. Just open a browser and you can validate the authenticity of the product. In today's world, in this pandemic era, buying a genuine or an authentic product is becoming more and more important, and we are in this mission to help consumers with the power of technology, enable the consumers and give the power back to them so that they can authenticate the product before they purchase. Thank you.